celebrating
Don't be absurd.
and congratulating me on the second anniversary of abrogation of Article 370. I have been disempowered.
Yes,
Jammu Kashmir
I
has
am.
been disempowered. It has been divided into two parts.
Not at all, not
And
at
you're
all.
telling me to celebrate? What is there to be celebrated?
Because you never cared for the
Article
other two
370
parts.
was given by my own constitution, read with Article 35. Clause 3 of accession is there, which
What
lays
35?
down that if I'm
What
not happy with the
35? What
constitution,
370? No.
Yes, what 35,
Niloufar, listen.
Arnab,
First
can
of
I
all,
go
this was
first
given
of all,
by
I
my
need
own
to tell you,
constitution, and
I need
you're
to tell
telling
you
me
this,
to
that you need
celebrate what
to,
is to be
you need to,
celebrated. My
Niloufar, your
constitution has been
party
taken.
needs to
In the
understand.
broad
No, it's
daylight,
gone.
in
No,
the broad
Constitution has
daylight,
never
my
promised you
rights have- my
370.
privileges have been
Constitution
taken.
has never
We have
promised you
other states
35A.
also where
Please.
371 is
Don't be
existing.
That
sentimental
was
about it's gone.
always a temporary provision.
You're always
That was
talking about
always
this.
anyway a
That's not
temporary
the point.
provision. Arnab, can I come in now? You know,
What is there to be celebrated?
can I come in, Arnab?
A handful of people from
Yeah, go on,
I
Toy.
tell
BJP,
you
they are
what is there to be
celebrating on the
celebrated.
streets.
Communists like
there
Vivek
has been a
Srivastava and
spark.
people like
There
you
has
who
been a
have no
stark silence.
idea of the
People are
history of
calm
Kashmir. Kashmir
because
was a
of the
land
reason
which
they
had
don't
free
want to take
trade
the
in the
violent
12th and 13th century with Iran. The Article 370 and Article 35A had reduced Kashmir to a ghetto. That ghetto had led to radicalization, and that radicalization had led to terrorism, leading to Kashmir being alienated. Article 370 and Article 35, the removal of these two
Terrorism has
articles
never
should be
been-
noted as a golden
You
day
cannot
in,
connect
in the
terrorism with
history of our
Article 370.
civilization,
You
where the
cannot connect these two
Nehruvian
things.
idea of
Terrorism is a different
pseudo-secular
subject and Article 370
chicanery
is a
was
different
abandoned
subject.
once and for all, and the path was paved for Kashmiria's robust and unhindered integration with Bhartiyat and Hindustaniyat, which should ideally have
Ashwini
happened
Anna.
70 years ago. Now, I will tell you the impact of it politically.
Kindly
Politically,
go through
the
accession
politics of
on
blackmail,
some
which
terms
was
and conditions.
employed by both
The Jammu and
NC and
Kashmir
PDP
has
successfully for the last
partly
70 years,
integrated
has
with
been
India
put to
on
a
some
knot.
free-
Pakistan, which PDP has always gifted a stake to, is no longer has a local stand-by. In fact, even 6 months ago, Arnab, if you recall, Farooq Abdullah had in fact threatened that now they will take the help of China to reinstall Article 370. All that has come to an end because Kashmiris themselves have realized
that.
the futility of these two articles. They have embraced the national tricolor like never before, and you can see it on the streets. That is why these two political parties have become redundant. That is why they have little to do beyond, raising their voices in your channels. If you administratively look at it,
and why should you not
lack domicile certificates?
No,
it has only led
Ashwini
to
Handa.
inclusivity.
No, you made so Ashwini Handa, many congratulations to you too. Why are you sitting there with a dour expression on your face? Why don't you smile? It's like it's a tragedy for you. I don't know why you're protesting. You should be ashamed you're protesting. Did you protest today? Did you take a pro-Pakistan line today once again by protesting? Did you take a pro-Pakistan line, Ashwini Handa, by protesting? Please tell me. Then I'll continue the debate. Did you support Pakistan by protesting against the removal of 370? Did you or did you not, Ashwini Handa? जी, आपने पाकिस्तान के समर्थन में 370 के नहीं क्या आपने पाकिस्तान के समर्थन में प्रोटेस्ट की है? मुझे किसी ने कहा आपने की है, आप बताइए कि आपने की है। मैं सिर्फ आपको एक ही बात पूछ रहा हूं।
मैंने ये कहा है पाकिस्तान समर्थन में नहीं, जम्मू कश्मीर के अवाम के समर्थन में मैंने प्रोटेस्ट किया है। और मैं आज इस चैनल से अपेक्षा कर रहा था कि वैसे ही जैसे
तो भारत के समर्थन में प्रोटेस्ट क्यों नहीं करते हैं
के ऊपर
कश्मीर और भारत में कोई अंतर नहीं है। भारत के समर्थन में आइए।
के लोगों को नुमाइंदगी नहीं दी गई है। जो